Because I'll be facing down, so I was like, I can either go forehead or chin, and I think chin would be better because I can stretch it from here to here.
Yeah.
Where I'm laying on the chest piece.
Yeah, that makes sense. I don't even think I need 2 leg supports. That's a good point. Sometimes I try to do transitions. And sometimes I remember to finish them. So this is gonna be so dramatic.
Let me know how that goes.
I mean, we could hold hands. That wouldn't be bad. It was right here.
Okay, I do want to get that shot actually.
That's not bad,
Not bad actually.
I mean, if y'all are doing it together, I feel okay with that.
Some piece and then a little top. So I think some piece is super well.
Make sure it's not tippy.
Yeah.
So if you need, an easy way to overcome the dip. An idea.
No, that makes sense. You're looking you in the eye.
I know. It's just like this.
Yeah. It's weird looking you in the eye with this height.
And wear glasses. Sing. Okay, cool. Y'all are rocking. I'm sober.
Hey.
All right. Nothing real hips. That's a very succubus thing to come from your hips. Yeah.
This line up.
It's right. So put the other piece and make like a back rest.
Yeah.
Like that keeps you slightly off the ground. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm gonna be in the hole.
Honestly, not sure the best way to do it. You're like toasting up by it.
gotta rotisserie chicken.
Okay. Don't fall. just want to film things. But yeah, so I realized I don't actually need knee supports, and the whole purpose of the apparatus is to be as like you don't want to see it.
Yeah.
So it's cool that it's this minimal.
No, yeah.
Okay,
This is
cool.
fine. The other thing too is that quarter inch is gonna have play. Which is
Yeah.
okay.
I didn't realize it was gonna wiggle
Yeah.
quite so much. Focus. Focus. Dude, these are so sick. You get the point, right? I'm gonna cut it out. Okay, we're good. Yeah. I have this small problem with my tent that is made of paper, and it's raining outside. So I'm gonna be in everybody's way for a minute.
Well, everybody's gonna be in everybody's way because it's raining outside and we have to come inside.
Pretty cool. I don't think that makes a huge difference. The arm tension's key though. That looks way more like you're falling. Yeah. This is dope though.
We're getting there.
Way dope, yeah.
We're getting there.
8 and 8, 10. If you are not here, between 8 and 8, 10, you have to figure it out. Okay? Remember, on the side of the emails, you long hands, closed toe shoes, sneak glasses, long sleeves. Got it? And then you might also wear your clothes. Okay, that's fine.
Needs a pillow. Rob knows everything. She gorgeous.
I love it.
So it's pretty simple. So basically we just have to stand in the same spot and then do some sort of motion like bam.
Okay.
And then we'll come back later and
Okay, so do we want to do a count of 3?
okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Okay.
I know, right?
Hello. Would you like to go outside? Probably not. It's fucking cold.
Yeah.
Buddy, I can't let you stay in here though. I'm so sorry.
I don't even know where you came from, guy.
Yeah, dude, the draping looks so good.
You know, this is basically a death sentence, but you know what's more of a death sentence? Staying in here, where we have wasp spray, and nobody loves you. Focus, focus. There we go. He really is crazy looking. Ah! It's all me, man. And then like there's the, you know, conversations at the beginning. Okay, I didn't get any footage of you putting yours together. So
yeah.
so it just like there's a point in the video where yours just like comes out and it's like, oh shit, where'd that come from? Okay, I think that's it. It was really hard for me.
Yeah.
Took a lot of work. Really complicated.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's that.